I was sent this set of 36 chair end caps, asking my opinion on it, make this short video. So here it goes. This is how it will be shipped to you in the box. They're just loose here. 36 of these. These are very nice end caps because they're pretty durable. They're not brittle and thin. They're malleable and they've got some mass to them, especially at the bottom. So the bottom whole section here, really at this mold line, this is all solid plastic. So these are going to last quite some time if you're using these to repair folding chairs. So here's a folding chair here. You can see that, you know, after a while, what'll happen is these things will crack and then they'll fall off and they're gone. And now you've got a chair here with an exposed piece of metal that's going to scratch your floor. So you really don't want that. It'll tear the carpet or scratch the floor, scratch your patio. So you really want to put a repair part on there. And if you buy a set like this, you've got enough to last lifetimes for all of your chairs like these. And to put them on, it's a real simple process. You're just going to take it here, remove the old one that's on there, place the new one here on. They're a tight fit because when they're on, you don't want them to fall off. So I'm just going to tap the rest of it on like this. And now I've got that cap on there and it's on there good. It's not going anywhere. So these are really high quality. They're great replacements because the ones that come with the chairs quite often aren't really durable and they're not nearly as nice. So you can see the distance here is smaller than these. These have a thicker pad at the bottom. So they're a good replacement. Hey, I hope this video was helpful and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.